Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Investors look for startup investments need to screen deals efficiently. Here's a set of criteria to apply to startups before pursuing diligence. Check the team. Do they know what they are doing? Do they have the skills to achieve the goal? Do they have passion and grit? Check the business. Does it address a large market? Will the business scale? Will it make good money on a unit economic level? And check the investment terms. Is the valuation in line with the market? Are the terms reasonable? Check the business for alignment with the investment thesis. Does the business track with current market trends? Does it fit with the investor's view of the world? Consider this criterion screening a startup for investment. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us with today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.